Hi, boys and girls. Today we're doing more subtracting, which means we take the biggest number and we subtract and get smaller. So make sure that you're always getting smaller. This is the opposite of adding, and then we'll just get better at doing our math facts. So today we have to draw the circles on the 10 frame. So, oh, there's my kitty. Did you hear? 14 is one full 10 frame. So fill up the 10 frame. And then 4 more is 14. So when we have 14, then we cross off 2 squares. And that leaves us with how many? 12. Oh, did you hear her? She's talking to you. She's saying, hi, boys and girls. Okay, the next one is 17. So we're going to do 10 plus 5 plus 2 more is 17. Now we have to cross off 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many do we have left? 3. Good. The next one is 11 minus 5. So fill up the 10 frame with 10 and then 11. And then we're going to cross off 5. How many does that leave me with? 6. Okay, 2 more problems. We have 20, so I'm going to fill up the entire 10 frame because 10 plus 10 is 20. So draw circles in all of the 10 frames. And then all I'm going to do is cross off 3. So if I take 3 away, how many does that leave me with? 17, very good. Okay, last one. 15. And then I'm going to cross off 9. And how many does that leave me with? 6. Very good. All right, we will need our number lines for the back side. Now, when you see problems like this, a lot of times kids will write the answers up here on the side, and that's not where the answer goes. The answer goes down below the line. You have to think of this line right here as like the equal sign. So make sure that you always write your answers underneath like this. So the first one is 18, and then we're going to minus 3, so count back 3. What's the answer? 15, very good. All right, so now let's do 16 minus 2. So put your pencil on 16 and count back 2 spaces. What did we land on? 14, very good. The next one is 19 minus 5. Put your pencils on 19 and count back 5 spaces. What did we land on? 14, very good. I'm going to do one more with you, and then I want you to try the rest on your own. So let's do 17 minus 4. 17 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What did we land on? 13, very good. Awesome job, boys and girls. So now it's your turn to show your teacher how much you can do on your own. I want you to finish the last 2 rows of problems. Make sure your name is on your paper and then turn it in.